Hey, welcome to the Beers Jack of Barbecue. Check out the Lollipop chicken legs we did on the SNS Travel Kettle. Hey, I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Got 7 nice, they call them Lollipop chicken legs. I actually bought these from Bell & Evans. They were in a package like this, so I didn't have to do any work to them. Skin on chicken legs. I did season them with, this is a new one from the Pepper Palace. It's a store I've seen in like outlet places, but it's a Big Easy Hot. So we'll see how hot it is once we make these things. But gonna have the grill running around 350 to maybe 400 at the most. Be indirect, I think, for the majority of the cook. If they don't get the color I want, I might throw them across the fire a little bit near the end just to kind of finish them off. But gonna do the 165, probably 175 area before we finish them. So let's get them on the grill. All right, let's get them on here. Not sure how I'm going to fit them yet, but let's. That looks pretty good. All right, we'll bring it back. Not sure time-wise. I'm going to say 15 minutes. We're going to let it ride like this. All right, going to take a sneak peek. Looking pretty good. We'll probably go another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them all. It looks like we got a little bit more heat coming over here by the looks of this one, but I'll flip them in and do some things with them in 5 minutes. We'll bring you back. All right, that was another 5 minutes. So we'll bring you back and flip some things around. So they're looking pretty good. I'm thinking next, maybe in another 10 minutes, I'll check temperatures here. I also repositioned a little bit to have the vent coming over this corner over here a little bit because it seemed like this was a little bit cooler and it seemed to be working. So we'll go another 10 minutes here and we'll bring you back to, or I'll do some temperature checks then. All right, let's check some temperatures, see what we're looking like here. Hopefully the camera will pick some up there. I thought we might be close to done here. And it, for the most part, I like the 165. I wouldn't mind seeing a little higher because they seem very tender. So even though some are showing done, I saw one that's lower there. I'm going to leave this sit for just another 5 minutes and we're going to pull them off. I don't think I'm going to put anything over fire. They look pretty good to me, so that'll be it. 5 minutes, we'll be back. All right, that was 5 minutes. Let's pull them off. They look nice though. Gonna set everything up and then we'll see you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Some chicken leg lollipops from Bell & Evans. Had the SNS Travel Kettle set up. Running about 350 the whole time. We did 10 minutes. I went 5 minutes longer. No, I'm sorry, we went 15 minutes. Then went 5 minutes longer on the one side, flipped them, and started checking temperatures after that 10 minutes, which was 30 minutes total, and left it on for 5 more minutes. Because everything was at 165 except, or everything was above 165 except one was right on, so I figured 5 more minutes would be perfect. So, turned out well. Like I said, hit it in advance with this, this hot Big Easy, so we'll see how hot it is. But expect most of the stuff, since it is a pepper place, to be pretty decent. So let's take a bite and see what we got here. Wow, very good. Very tender. Got some kick. I can taste the, as soon as I bit into it, I could taste the heat on my tongue. These are going to be good. Jack will enjoy this because Jack likes hotter than I do, and I think he's going to like the heat on these things. So hopefully, like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notifications, and we'll see you next time.